The park is also home to one of the city's most recognizable architectural landmarks, the Dubai frame. It has been described by the Guardian newspaper as the largest picture frame on the planet. Stands 150 meters tall and 95 meters wide. The Dubai frame is created out of glass, steel, aluminum, and reinforced concrete. Now, for those of you who's on budget and Burj Khalifa is a little bit too pricey, well, this is one alternative you can try out. If you can, I mean, you're not going to be in Dubai every single day. If you can, I would say go for the Burj Khalifa, but I'm going to show you the alternative as well. And you can decide which one you felt is a bang for your buck. The lineup for the ticket is pretty long, so what I recommend is just grab a ticket online. I mean, you can even just skip the lineup by just going to your smartphone, punching in your credit card, and boom, you get a... That's a cute baby right there. Bye-bye. That's funny. And basically show it to the guard at the gate. But yeah, we are in here. Right. This is the lineup, and if you can take a look, they are there to sell. And if you like to spend, if you want to lose weight by lighten up your wallet, the photographer there that will take a photo of you on green screen, and will sell it back to you at an inflated rate. That would definitely lighten up your wallet if you decide to buy it. With that being said, let's hope we get to go next. Opened in 2018, the ground floor contained a museum showcasing the city's history and the visual exhibition predicting its future. The winning project was conceived by the Mexican architect Fernando Donis, whose frame proposal won the international competition in 2008 by the government of Dubai. The winning concept illustrates a tall emblem structure to promote the new face of Dubai. According to Donis, when designing the structure, he saw Dubai as a city full of emblems, and rather adding another one, he proposed to frame them all, to frame the city. Instead of building a massive structure, the purpose of the proposal was to build a void of 150 meter by 105 meter to continuously frame and development of the past, current, and the future Dubai, to become the structure that celebrate yet constrain the city. Observation deck spans the top of the frame with glass bottom floor looking down almost 150 meters onto the building's lower span. I bought my life insurance, but I hope my parents won't make a claim. Hey Mom, give me if you don't approve me doing this. Now, it's not every single day I'm here in Dubai to do this. So I might as well take a rest and chill out right. Okay, that's enough. Get back to work. The frame is positioned in a way that from the observation deck, the visitor can view the older part of the city, while from the other side, the representative landmark of the modern Dubai. To fully enjoy this attraction, you need at least 30 minutes. And I'd say it's worth every single penny of the 50 dirham. Actually, no, 52.5 because there's 5% value-added tax. Goodbye. Not mistaken. What I recommend is you come during the sunset, and I think it's going to be much more spectacular. That being said, this is the lineup. So, see you down there. Dubai 2030, I believe it's a Sheikh's vision of how the city will be. Is this our train?